feel the soul. Hard to explain, but if you've been there, then you know that easy living, just go with the flow. Aloha. For energy, I'm looking to the moon to put me back to sleep. Working hard day after day and wondering, thinking aloud, is there something